In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock someone on Discord. If you've previously blocked a user and want to reconnect, the process is quick and straightforward, and I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Blocking on Discord hides the person's direct messages and collapses their posts in shared servers, helping you avoid interactions. Unblocking simply reverses that, letting messages appear normally again and allowing the person to contact you if your privacy settings permit. It doesn't add them as a friend, change any server roles, or send out a notification. It just removes the block. Here's what to do. First, go to the person's profile. You might reach their profile from a direct message conversation or from a server where you both participate. The key is to open their profile view so you can access the right options. Once you're on their profile, use a right-click or a secondary click if you're on a trackpad or a mouse configured that way. That opens a small menu with several actions related to that user. In that menu, look for the option labeled Unblock. Click Unblock, and the change takes effect immediately. There's no extra confirmation screen in most cases, and you don't need to restart Discord or refresh anything. After you select Unblock, the user is no longer blocked. Their messages and shared servers will appear like everyone else's, and you can exchange direct messages again if both of your privacy settings allow it. The person won't get a special alert that you unblocked them, but they'll be able to interact with you normally. If you were just testing or made a mistake earlier, this puts everything back to normal without affecting your other settings. If you don't see an unblock option in the menu, that usually means the person isn't currently blocked, or you might be clicking somewhere that doesn't show user controls. Simply make sure you're on their profile when you open the menu. Also, keep in mind that your overall privacy settings still control who can message you or add you as a friend, independent of blocking. And there you go. That's all there is to it. Go to the person's profile, right-click, and select Unblock. It's a small action that restores communication, and you can always review your choices later if your situation changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you feel confident unblocking someone on Discord.